Good afternoon, traders. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha. Originally from Land of Rising Sun. Today is first day of March 2025. I want to bring you the weekly analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Wave strategy, be it crypto, currency, commodities, stock, whatever that you are trading that can be viewed on charts. I use Elliott Wave advanced method to analyze and trade. So if this is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. If you want to join my Telegram channel, you will see the link in the bio. On my Telegram channel, I share free charts. For instance, Bitcoin and other, and some few charts I shared last week, made lots of money. Okay, so let's start with DSY as we do always. Then I also run mentorship program. If you want to learn how I do and what I do, then contact me. I'll teach you. You must see my phone number on the bio. The number is on WhatsApp and Telegram as well. So, DSY, as we know, as I've been explaining, we have gotten to the reversal zone on daily. So I will be showing dailies today. So now we have wave 1, wave 2. What we have here is internal wave 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I expect A, B, C, wave 2, then 3, 4, 5. So selling is what I'm looking for. I don't buy anymore. The possibility is that we may get this move. It's possible, but I'm not looking for it. But we may get it. So whichever way, I'll be looking for sell around here. If price comes to this zone, I'll be looking for sell setup. So that's for my DSY. Okay, so let's go to USD card. USD cards. The same thing, I'm looking for sell. Okay, so as a matter of fact, I'll be waiting for this type of pullback before I sell. What is happening here on USD card? If you watch my video, I refuse to sell because after this big drop, I want to see something like this. I thought it will happen here. I didn't see it. Did this sell? I didn't sell it because I know it must give me a big pullback. So now that it is happening around here, I will begin to look for sell setup to sell again. I didn't sell this. I didn't catch it. I didn't sell all this. So now I will sell around here. So I'm looking for sell setup on 1 hour time frame or 3 minutes time frame. If you don't know what sell setup is, if you don't know what the buy setup is, then you need to learn. Contact me. I will teach you, and you will be happy. I don't charge much. I just do money with big value. So USD card is looking for sell. USD chef, this is the one I sold because it gave me a nice pullback. I sold from here. I sold from here. I will sell again when I get nice setup. I'll go down to 1 hour and look for sell. You begin to sell until a new low because it's a reverse on daily time frame. USD, we buy. I'm favored to buy your USD because to me, on that time frame, it have reversed. Meanwhile, this looks like a correction. But to me, I see it as leading diagonal. I may be wrong, but I don't want to buy. I'll be looking for sell. Sorry, I don't want to sell. I'm looking for buy. One thing about Elliott Wave is that sometimes whether you are wrong or right, you will still be making money and making no loss. Okay. For instance, if this market will sell all the way down, and I don't want to sell because this is what I'm looking for. To me, this is wave A. Then wave B will do something like this. Then wave C will drop. So even if it will go all the way down, it won't go from here all the way down. If I get set it up around here, I will buy. Maybe it will do this and sell again. By the time it do this and begin to sell again, I would have moved my stop loss to break even. So that's the beauty of Elliott Wave. If you are very careful, you will hardly lose. So for those who are on my Telegram channel, I share this with them. This drop, I shared it with them. Some may catch it, some may not. But this is where I have interest. When we have when big selling will happen, after we get an A, B, C as correction, then a big sale will happen before the buying will now continue. Okay, so it's always the best. Elliott Wave is always the best. Pounds USD, the same thing. I'm looking for buy. All this move here is impulse move. If I may show you daily time frame, you will know that we have gotten to a reversal zone. You see it. This is our reversal zone. So what I'm sharing with you is the trade of the week. So all these things is what we expect to happen in the week. So if you see this is wave A. I'm looking for an ABC, wave B, then wave C. I will say wave C, and then buy again for a new high. Pounds USD. Okay, AUD USD is making a deep correction. They are all going to buy, but this correction is very deep, very, very deep. Let me show you 4 hours to see how deep it is. So all this move, meanwhile, all this move is wave 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. So this is wave 2. Whether it make this and go lower, it's still wave 2. It will not become wave 2 if it goes below this this low. Then it means that this is an expanding flat, A, B, C. Then we get to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, but I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for it to give me, and let me go back to 1 hour. Let me go back to 1 hour. I'm looking for it to give me a correction. To give me this ABC, then I will sell again. Okay. So the selling is not yet finished. Using the USD, the same situation, it went deep also. So we may get a straight move from here. It can happen straight move from here. Or maybe we get something like this, another drop before buying. Okay, so whichever way, as long as it doesn't go below this place, this thing will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, wave 2. Okay. Or maybe something like this, wave 2, then you begin to buy. So I favor buying other than selling. KB225, JPY basket. I prefer it to, yen pace is always opposite to JPY basket. So you can see why Elliott Wave is the best. I haven't been here for a long time. You can see it's a come to our reversal zone until it has reversed. As long as JPY basket has reversed, it means 54 hours. So this is a reversal zone. The reversal doesn't mean it will go all the way down, but that's what I expected. Even if it won't go all the way down. So this is my expectation is this. And this is A, B, C, W, A, B, C, X. Then we're going to get another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that before it buy again. So even if it won't come all this way low, it will at least give us a nice sell. So as long as JPY basket is selling, yen pace will be buying. So that's why I use it to analyze yen pace. So let me go back to Euro JPY. Then I will continue from there and finish others. So JPY will be buying. The buying may be okay now. Sometimes we may not get to our reversal zone. Sometimes what we call truncation will happen. So I expect this to come to this zone before it will reverse, but it seems to have truncated. So now I don't longer looking for it to come to this zone again. Rather, I'll go down to 1 hour and look for buy setup. So and the best way to buy this move alone is an indication that the market is buying. It's a sharp move. Okay, so the best thing to do if you don't know how to get price set up around here, because it seems it will drop again before buying, then you better buy above this place. Stop loss will be here, depending on what happens here. This stop loss is far. So if the market begin to go up from here, buy above this place, stop loss will be here. But if it do this and drop again, then I will buy from here, stop loss will be here. So I don't have to sell yen pairs for now, whether it will be an impulse or correction. USDJPY, same situation, it is buying, whether it will be impulse or correction, it will be buying, at least it will give us something around 155, 156. That is, if it will sell again, you're gonna buy for maybe throughout this week, throughout coming week, it will continue to buy. Pounds JPY, same situation, it's gonna buy. Maybe it may do this. It may do an ABC. It may do an ABC. I don't know what it's gonna do. Maybe we get a buy around here or something above this place. So that's for pound JPY. Maybe after that it may come down to complete the reversal zone we are looking for. It didn't come to the reversal zone. So it may come back here before buying. I don't know. Whatever the market provides, that's what we use. So that's one thing about wave that we have to follow it up. We have to follow it up. When it comes to this place, we know whether it will continue or not. So if you learn all these things, you won't bother what will happen at the reversal zone. From what happens here, you will know whether it will continue to go up or it will continue to go down. So let me first see what happens here. From there, I will know the next thing that will happen in the market. So that's for pound JPY. Let's go to gold. Gold has made a wave 3. Now wave 4 is what we are looking for. We're looking for the fourth wave. So the fourth wave is what we are trying to know where it will terminate. So for me, let me go down to 1 hour so that you will see it clearer. So for me, this is wave A. We're gonna get wave B. I don't know where it will end by now. So I'm just guessing. After some movement, I will now predict where wave A, B will terminate. But for now, let's assume it will hit the 900. Then from there, it will drop again. After it have dropped again, it will be the time to buy. To buy to trade wave 5. So what happened here is wave 3. So wave 4 is what is happening now. Another buy is coming on gold. Okay, so let's go to silver. Silver and gold disagreed this time around. Well, I don't want to go into details. So for now, silver will likely go deeper than this place we are pointing at. But for now, let's take it as we are doing A, B, C. We may turn to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But for now, let's check what will happen around here. From there, we will sell and target 30, 200, 500. From there, we know what is going to happen again. So silver and gold is selling, but the selling is correction, not impulse. Platinum, go to forward. Platinum is not stable, always going front and back. Meanwhile, this is nothing but median diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave 1. And as we know, wave 2 can go as low as 99% of wave 1. So even if it do this and come back to here, it's still wave 2. As long as it didn't go below this place, it's still wave 2. So platinum will also sell before it will buy again. Okay, so let's continue watching. US oil. Oil, one of my favorites. But this time around, I didn't make money on oil as I do always because of the pattern it is making. One thing about trade is that you must not trade all the time. When they pay you like it doesn't give what you want, you look for something else to trade. Oil didn't give me what I needed here, so I didn't sell oil all this while. I may sell if what I see here convinces me to sell. I may sell. Okay. Meanwhile, if you sell oil around here, you be careful because it may drop and go back again before it will now sell a big time. So, but within this range, within this trend line, you may sell from here and go down lower. Remember, for a long time now, I'm saying that oil is going towards 60 or below 60. So I still maintain my stand. Oil haven't finished selling. So what I would like to sell when it make a deep correction. So US 100 are looking for it to sell further. For me, this is with W, this is with X. So this is A, B, C. So I'm looking for it to go up around 1,200, then drop to 19,000 zone before it begins to buy again. That's what I'm looking for on US 100, on NASDAQ. SP 500, I'm also looking for it to give me three waves down. Three waves down. If I made a single wave, so I'm looking for it to do something like this. Something like this. I need to move back, another move up. Then this drop, before this buy, maybe the drop may come as low as, may go as low as, so this is what I'm looking for it to do, to drop towards this zone, before it will buy again. So take, keep, let's keep checking what will happen eventually. We started this week, I said that I will, that if you like it, drop to this zone. So I drop to it, it's now reversing. But I don't think that the reversing is to give us a new high. This is what I'm expecting to happen. A little move low, another move high, then another move low, before another move high. So probably this trend line will continue to control the market for now. Maybe it will still go lower and jump the trend line again. Let me adjust it a little adjustment. And from here, it will need to go up massively. So I don't think it's gonna go up from here. It's possible. It's possible. That's that seems to be very strong, very, very strong. So that may end up giving us a little drop, then it will buy again. Or it may give us a big correction, something like this with A, something like this with B, another. So we may get a deep correction before it begins to buy. So I don't know, but when market begins to sell, I will know what it is trying to do. For now, I don't know what it's trying to do. Dow. Dow will likely do like US starts. Let me go to 1 hour. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay, you see my reversal zone on that. It goes below lower than reversal zone. Let me check. Okay, almost within the reversal zone. It's now going up. We need to continue. We need to go all the way up. I think it's gonna do something like this. Not like US starts, give us another loan before it eventually buy. So I think that's the end. Let me show Bitcoin and I'll conclude. So I don't cover this. Let me get you one. Let me check. Maybe I will trade this. I will trade this. I think it is a good place to trade. So maybe on the way. Let me go to Bitcoin and I will conclude. Bitcoin, let me Bitcoin is still correcting. People are panicking that Bitcoin won't go up again. But I think otherwise. Bitcoin will still go up. What's happening here is correction. So Bitcoin will drop and buy again. So based on my analysis on Bitcoin, this move up, I shared it with my subscribers on Telegram. Many must have bought it from here, but I shared the signal. Then two things will happen on Bitcoin. One is that we may get a correction. You may get a correction on Bitcoin, which means you will not get this drop. You may get correction. You may get correction, something like this, around this zone, and it will buy. But this is what I'm expecting to happen. This drop. Let me show you why. This is wave one, wave two, wave three. This is wave four. So wave five is coming. Now, this may truncate. And if it truncates, it means that wave four is here, and wave three is here, and wave five is here. But technically, it can happen, but technically, the perfect count will five somewhere here, wave three here, wave four here. So let's watch what happens when it begins to drop. Okay, but I will be glad if I see Bitcoin to this zone. 77,000, 76,800, 76,200, 76,100. This zone I thought I would like to see Bitcoin, because from here, I will make lots of profits, because from here, we are going to 115,000 or thereabouts. Okay, so this is where I'm bringing my analysis to end. Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to join our Telegram channel. It's free. If you want to learn from me, I have a mentorship program. You pay the money and join my students. Okay? Thank you for watching, and God bless you.